Hello there, my dear and bright students. This is your teacher Shagufta Faisal, and today we will talk about the Equatorial Region. As you know, we were talking about the climatic zones of the world, and the Equatorial Region is very heat and full of moisture, and this causes the rainfall, the continuous rainfall. The land is naturally covered with dense vegetation, especially forest. The soil itself is not particularly fertile because of the goodness of rainfall, and so the good materials, the good minerals are washed out by the constant rain. So the huge trees, average height are 45 to 50 meters, generally are long, straight trunks with a cloud of branches and the leaves at a very top, like canopy. Let's talk more about the Equatorial Region. First of all, we will start from the globe, that where in the globe this region exists. Right guys? So let's start it. If you look keenly on this globe, the earth from about 12 degrees north and south of the equator, mountain tops has an equatorial climate, nearby equator. Because they are nearby the equator, they receive more hot, wetness and stickiness. The Amazon basin of Brazil are the famous one in North America. The Congo basin in Africa, Southeast Asian region, Malaysia and Indonesia. So these are the famous areas which are under the equatorial climate. 10% of the world's known species and 20% of the world's bird species are found in the Amazon rainforest. Look at these beautiful birds. They sound good too. 2.5 million insect species, which are also beneficial. 40,000 species of plant. Amazon rainforest, which is also called the lungs of earth. The Equatorial region receives direct rays from the sun and therefore hot all through the year. Exactly. The harsh sun rays heats up the land and also cause constant evaporation from the water bodies. High humidity causing heavy rainfall. Hot wetlands. Convectional rainfall. What is convectional rainfall? Does anyone know? Yes, when the sun heats up the earth, it causes the warm air to rise up. See? The warm and moisture-laden air rises up, makes cloud. It forms cloud, and these clouds cause rainfall. Exactly. This kind of rainfall is also accompanied by thunder and lightning. This rainfall is also called the 4 o'clock shower. This is meteorologist terminology. What is the vegetation of these rainforests? The Equatorial region is thick with forest cover and foliage. The forests receive rain every day long and are therefore known as the rainforest. So the vegetation should be a leaf that might take 1 year to decompose in a regular climate will disappear in just 6 weeks because of such climate in the Equatorial region. Look at the vegetation over here. Rosewood, ebony, mahogany, rubber and cinchona. These are very beneficial wood over there. Creepers, climbers, plants and trees are the different botanical types exist. cassava, banana, sugarcane, rice, and corn. Minerals which we easily found over there. The Equatorial region is rich in minerals. Well, look at the diamonds and the tin. The mining projects looking for the minerals. Uranium, copper, diamond, and petroleum. The Zia River is the 5th longest river in the world. And the Amazon River, because of the rainfall. The Amazon rainforest is the largest in the world and are also called the lungs of the earth. Such thing exists just because of the heavy rainfall. So I told you about the vegetation and the forest and each and everything, the rainfall, how much rainfall they receive and what type of animals they get in this region. Let's talk about more about the animals over there. Look at the wildlife. The zebra, giraffe, elephant and leopard. Rainforest people are short, which makes their movement through the forest easy. They make clothes from the shell of tree. Their shelters are also covered with waxy leaves. This was all about the equatorial forest. I hope each and everything is clear in your mind and you must have got the knowledge regarding the Amazon forest, that how much important these forests are. We need to protect these forests and these all type of vegetation, because they generate almost 60% oxygen of the whole world. So we need to protect these forests. Alright guys, thank you.